In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel Media Library. First, sign in and open your GoHighLevel sub-account. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're in the correct sub-account before you proceed, because everything you upload will live inside that specific workspace. Next, go to Media Storage from the main navigation. This is the central hub for all your files inside GoHighLevel. Think of it as your built-in cloud drive where you keep everything you'll reuse across funnels, websites, emails, and other assets, so you don't have to upload the same file over and over again. Before we upload, let's quickly cover what belongs here. You can store images like JPG, PNG, GIF, and WebP, along with videos, PDFs, audio files, logos, and other branding assets, downloadable resources, and any media you plan to use in funnels and websites. Treat this like your brand's single source of truth, which helps you keep things consistent and easy to find. To add new files, click the Upload button. You'll see the option to upload file. Go ahead and select that. Your computer's file picker will open, and you can choose the files you want to store. Pick the final versions whenever possible, so you're not cluttering the library with duplicates. If you're replacing an old asset, give the new file a clear name that makes it obvious it's the latest version. After you select your files, wait for the upload to finish. You'll see progress indicators, and once they complete, your media is ready to use across GoHighLevel. From here on, when you add an image to a page or a PDF to a funnel step, you can pull it directly from the media library without re-uploading. If something doesn't appear immediately, a quick refresh usually does the trick. Here's a helpful tip, especially for agencies or anyone juggling multiple brands. Adopt a simple, consistent naming system so you can recognize files at a glance. For example, use names like clientlawlogo.png, clientlawguide.pdf, and clientlawbanner1.jpg. Stick to lowercase, use hyphens instead of spaces, and include short descriptors like logo, guide, or banner with a version or number when needed. This prevents confusion when you're working across many sub-accounts and makes search far more reliable. That's it. Open your sub-account, head to Media Storage, know what types of files belong there, upload with the Upload and Upload File options, select your files, wait for the upload to complete, and then use your media anywhere in GoHighLevel. Keep your naming clean and consistent, and you'll save time every time you build.